Glamorous spa and holiday resorts like Morcoti shaped the face of the region around Lake Lugano. It was once an important transfer site for goods on the route between Ticino and northern Italy. As early as the 1920s, Lake Maggiore drew artists and philosophers here. In the 60s, the jet set arrived. On its northern bank lie Lugano and Ascona. Along the Lungo Lago, the lake promenade of Ascona, Ivo Adam runs a restaurant. He is a passionate angler.
You have to go back to the roots, recognize and respect the origin of a product or a living creature. Bearing that in mind, you can prepare a good meal with it.
At almost 200 meters above sea level, Lake Maggiore is the lowest point in Switzerland. Ticino River, which gave its name to the canton, flows through it. To this day, the fish industry is an important source of income.
Most of the products I use are regional. You have to think of it like a film, like a detective story. You always need a main character and 2 or 3 supporting roles. And that's how I create dishes from the region with the region.
Ivo Adam adds new ingredients to traditional recipes to reinterpret Ticino's dishes in his own special way.
Ascona, the Monte Verita, is a very powerful place. And when I think of new creations once a month, I take some time off and do a bit of sport out in the fresh air. I need that to wind down and re-energize, to be creative.
The German-born cook is multiple world champion and head chef at the Seven restaurant.
I'm a minimalist perfectionist. That means that patience is the name of the game. Polenta is very typical for Ticino. You take sweet corn, let it dry, grind it, and then it's cooked. It was originally a poor man's dish. I always try to retain the original form. That's the cob of the corn. There are many things you can do with it. You can get it dried, ground, as powder, or in liquid form. So there are many ways of using sweet corn to make polenta. I combine traditional methods to make something new.
His menus are an unconventional encounter between the Swiss and the Italian cuisine.
I believe that you can only put 100% into a meal if you have the right surroundings and team. From my restaurant on Lake Maggiore, there is a wonderful view of the water and palm trees. What could be more beautiful?